Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you find different types of codes, different type of coupon codes, different type of new and latest codes on your Temu application or website. Because I don't have Temu application, so I'm just using Temu on my Google Chrome website here. So let me just do that. I will click on the Google Chrome here, and here you will see that is Temu website that is open now. But I have to click on the search bar and search for new Temu coupon code. So I bound, click on a new website here, and here you will see a lot of coupon codes here. But I need to clear one thing, that all the codes mentioned here are not sure that they are working, but I'm just showing you an estimate of the coupon codes. Most of the codes from this website are already invalid or expired, so you just have to check one by one that which code is working, and if it's working you have a good luck, and then you can use it on your Temu also. So this is the video, this is the trick. There is no extra trick to find any type of coupon code here, so this is the only trick by which you can do it. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you like, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you.